Hello everyone, my name is Dion Durr from Pinky's Iron Doors. We're here to feature our piano flat top 72 by 96 door. This door has Low-E glass, has a little bit of reflection to it. That's the energy efficiency that the Low-E glass provides. This is oil rub bronze. This is a flat top door. This door is 72 by 96. This door has a kick plate. I'll put my knee against it. So it's got a pretty high kick plate on the 72 by 96. Now, I freaking love this door. It's honestly super duper. If scroll work wise, it's got scroll work, it's got straight bars, it's got a nice kick plate. I mean, come on, just imagine this in front of your house. For the price that you're paying, for the store, there's nothing else you can do that's going to get you such a big wow factor walking up to your house. Painting costs more, tiling, everything else costs a lot more than putting something like this and getting a big wow factor. Especially before Thanksgiving and Christmas, before your family comes over. Cool door, this is a left-hand in-swing, so I'm gonna show you guys what left-hand in-swing is. Left-hand in-swing means the left door opens to the left wall on the inside. This door still opens, you have to unlatch it. There's two latches, you unlatch them and it opens up. I'm gonna flip this around and show you guys the back end of this. Also, one more thing before I do that. This door comes in a single door. It comes in double and it comes in arch. And we're going to be bringing a full arch soon, but a full arch is definitely, we can definitely make a full arch if you guys request it. Okay, thank you. Okay, so we're on the back end of the piano door. As you can see, it's got that curve on the glass on the back also, and it's got the design work on the back kick plate also. Show you guys how the glass opens. You untwist these. Untwist the knobs, open it up. The dual ply 5/8 thick glass is still here. That opens up so you can clean the glass, clean the scroll work. And also some people like to use it to get a breeze in. And screens are optional. If you want to custom make this door, we can add some screens to this and ship it over to you. Amazing door. I think it looks as good from the back than it does from the front. Yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this. And if you guys have any questions, contact us at info@pinkysirondors.com, or you can call us at 844-843-6677. Thank you.